Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna talk about how you can start a YouTube channel without using a camera, or let's say without using an expensive camera. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need is a screen recorder. Screen recording software is a software or a program which records your screen. When I say screen recording, the software records the video of your screen, not just the picture. It records video, and with the video it also records the audio of your computer. So by audio it means the audio of the system and audio of your voice at the same time. But you can select between using just your voice or just the system audio. So first of all, what you need is a screen recorder, and what I'm using is Camtasia. Camtasia is a very good screen recording software. It has its own video editing program inside the package of screen recording software. So Camtasia allows you to record the screen of your computer along with your voice. So you can record your voice while browsing internet or using any programs and record it. You can see I'm using this Camtasia. So what you need is a screen recording software, and using this you can record your voice, record your screen, and make tutorials for your YouTube videos or YouTube content. But the thing is, the Camtasia is not a free software. You can see here free trial. You can use it for trial if you want it, if you want to use it for free. But if you want to use the full version, you have to buy. So there is another alternative for this screen recording software. OBS Studio is the free screen recording software. Now, if you compare these two softwares, they're kind of different softwares. Both are screen recorders, but the thing is, Camtasia has its own video editing program, but OBS Studio doesn't have that. It just records the screen. But the good thing about OBS Studio is that you can use OBS for streaming live videos on your YouTube channel. That's the best thing about OBS if you compare it with Camtasia. And another thing is that it's free of cost. You don't have to pay anything, so you can use OBS Studio if you want to start your YouTube channel without buying any software. So this is the basic of what you need to start a YouTube channel without using camera, or let's say without showing your face. So next thing I want to tell you about is this video scribe. You can use any software, like I've already said. You can record your screen and make tutorials about anything, showing the screen of your computer using any kind of programs or softwares. But the thing is, if you want to make kind of a custom tutorials, you're gonna have you'll have to have some animation, kind of animating programs or software. So for that you'll need video scribe. So what video scribe does, you have to know. So what video scribe does is it makes this kind of video. It's also called whiteboard animation video. So you can see You can choose pictures, animations, and it shows, you know, like this kind of animation. So by using this kind of animation, you can use tutorials, or not just tutorials, you can make any kind of video, informational video or entertaining video through this kind of software. But again, this video scribe is not free. This is an alternative for this. Powtoon. Powtoon is a free software that does the work similar to video scribe. So it's free and you can use this. But I guess it shows a kind of watermark after the video is created. So you'll have to do a little bit of compromise, but still it's worth it, I guess. I think so. So you can choose between video scribe and Powtoon to make animation videos for your YouTube channel. And if you don't want to do this, if you don't want to do animation, you can still make videos by, you know, you're just using your available software, that's PowerPoint. Now PowerPoint is very basic. I wouldn't say basic, but it's kind of user-friendly program, and it's all everyone knows about PowerPoint, and you can use this for your YouTube channel too. You can see here design. It has page setup. In page setup you can use this on-screen show 16:9 ratio, and that will turn this page into the ratio of HD screen. So here what you can do is you can use images and show PowerPoint and record your screen. The thing and the good thing is that if you install Camtasia Studio, you'll also have these options to record the PowerPoint presentation. And for to use images in PowerPoint, you can go here. I would like to show you this. You can go to pixabay.com or unsplash.com. Pixabay.com and unsplash.com, they both of them are websites where you can find free images. You don't have to worry about copyright issues. You don't even have to pay anything to download. Let's say you want to download this image. You just need to press here, click here and download. So what you have to do is bring this image to this PowerPoint. You can cover, you know, the whole screen here, or however you like, and you can add text here. So you can download as many pictures as you would like to and add text on those pictures and record the screen and make videos for your YouTube. So these are the two websites where you can find free images to use in your YouTube videos. So I think that's pretty much you now know about Camtasia and OBS Studio for recording your screen and audio, and you know about Video Scribe and Powtoon to make animation videos, and you also know about Pixabay and Unsplash to use to download free images for YouTube videos, and you know that you can now make videos just using PowerPoint. So that's how you can start a YouTube channel without using any camera, A lot of YouTubers use DSL cameras, which are very expensive, and if you are if you are just starting a YouTube channel, you might not have access to any kind of fancy gadgets. So this video might help you to start your YouTube channel right now. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, you can just give a thumbs up, and if you like, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's pretty much for today. I would love to make new videos around this topic, and I'll come up with next video. Till then, goodbye.